Hello, my name is Jonathan from the peaq network. I'm here with my colleague Cameron and Maria from Fetch and Peter from Bosch. We are here at the HDW Saar. We are here at the hackathon and have been integrating successfully the Bosch XDK with our network, and then making it run on the on the agentverse of Fetch. We have integrated an agent on it that is consuming our data. And I think I will pass on to Peter now to explain us a little more about this amazing device.
Yeah, thanks, Jonathan. Yeah, I think we have this nice little industrial grade box called XDK, which means Cross Development Kit. And this is a really cute thing because it has a plethora of different sensors that we developed. It can measure humidity, it can measure temperature, it can measure all the different acceleration modes that you can think about, and all the good stuff that Bosch develops in the sensor range. And we integrated it in one box, which is autonomously working, has its own networking as well. And yeah, works autonomously, can run everywhere in the world, and can be connected to any network, what we just did.
Great.
So maybe you tell us a little bit more about how you've implemented this this integration?
Yeah, sure. So thanks, Maria. So actually what we are doing here is like this XDK that is pushing the data. You can see here, it's coming live data of temperature, light, humidity, and air pressure. So what we have done is that we have assigned a DID, a unique identifier, to the device. And how it works is that it's the unique number of the Bosch device that is actually embedded into the device. And whenever you press this button, so it generates a DID, the unique identifier on the network, and then the data coming from this gets signed by that unique identifier and pushed it onto the network, right? So the public keys are there on the network, and the device is signing the data and pushing onto the network, so it becomes really near to impossible to really get hold of that data, or no one can really get hold of the data because it is signed by the device itself. And once it is signed, it is pushed onto the network. Then we have got agents that can really consume the data. And for example, there are two people interested in buying the data. So I can sell the data to Maria, I can sell the data to Jonathan, I can sell the data to Peter, and I can earn money or tokens from that. Yeah.
And I just wanted to add that the agents are registering with this service on Agentverse, and then they are visible on the Delta V platform, which is combining the latest LLM AI frameworks to help enable that data and that information and the XDKs and other devices to be easily available using natural language systems. So this is a really interesting combination of the various technologies that we're bringing together here at the hackathon, and that we will be enabling to the public very soon, so they can have a look what we have done and build on that.
And let me maybe add here what I would like to stress. This is not just any new data generated on the network somewhere. This is really data sovereignty, really in practice. And the really good thing here is really that we have in an open context, that we have in a decentralized way, and I could really my personal ID on that data, and everybody know really where the data came from. I can really sell it, and everybody knows exactly, I can trust the data because I know it is from person X, Y, Z. And this is our big vision that we have really as well as Bosch, to have data sovereignty, safety, security, and all that stuff in the future.
Thank you.